Are you looking for the top 5 best bandsaw blades for resawing? I've spent countless hours in my workshop trying out different bandsaw blades to find the best ones for resawing. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into the top 5 bandsaw blades that I believe will elevate your woodworking game.
Product number 1. Fox BC 93 1/2 inch bandsaw blades assortment. I recently got my hands on the Fox BC 93 1/2 inch bandsaw blades assortment, and let me tell you, it has been a game changer for my woodworking projects. I was skeptical at first about a 3-pack, but once I started using them, I realized how versatile they truly are. From the moment I unboxed the blades, the quality was evident. Each blade is made from premium Japan SK5 high-grade carbon steel, which not only promises durability, but also heat resistance and strong welds. I was ready to tackle both hard and soft woods, as well as plastic, right out of the gate. After checking the owner's manual of my 14-inch bandsaw, I installed the 93 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 6 TPI blade, and the difference was instant. The precision sharpened teeth cut through the wood like butter. One of the most impressive aspects of these blades is their tooth specification. The induction hardened teeth are designed for true tracking, allowing me to make intricate cuts without losing accuracy. The 6 TPI blade was perfect for ripping through thicker pieces, while the 14 TPI blade offered the finesse I needed for more intricate shapes. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the blades are incredibly durable, cutting through various materials without dulling quickly. They also come in a 3-pack, which means you're set for a while without the need for frequent replacements. The price is quite fair at $38.54 for 3 blades, especially considering their performance. On the flip side, one downside I encountered was that the blades can be a bit tricky to install if you're not accustomed to working with bandsaws. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll find they fit perfectly in most 14-inch models. Another minor issue is that they might be overkill for very soft woods, where a less aggressive blade could suffice. So, why should you consider buying the Fox BC 93 1/2 inch bandsaw blades assortment? If you're serious about woodworking and want versatility in your blades, this 3-pack offers excellent value. They're durable, efficient, and designed to deliver clean cuts, making them ideal for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers. If you want to elevate your resawing game, these blades are a solid investment.
Product number 2. PowerTech 93 1/2 inch bandsaw blades assortment. Another great option I tested is the PowerTech 93 1/2 inch bandsaw blades assortment. Coming in at $43.68, this 3-pack also caters to a variety of woodworking needs. Right off the bat, I appreciated the packaging, which was sturdy and kept the blades protected during shipping. The set includes a 93 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 6 TPI blade, a 93 1/2 inch by 1/8 inch by 14 TPI blade, and a 93 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch by 6 TPI blade. This variety means you can tackle everything from ripping and cross-cutting to intricate curve cuts. I immediately fitted the 6 TPI blade to my bandsaw and was impressed with how smoothly it cut through hardwood. The precision cutting tool is designed with a geometric tooth arrangement that provides seamless cutting results, and I could feel the difference in performance. One of the standout features of these blades is their high-quality build. They're made from premium high-grade carbon steel, which gives them excellent durability and heat resistance. I've used cheaper blades in the past that dulled quickly, but I could tell that these would stand the test of time. As far as pros and cons go, the pros are clear. These blades are exceptionally sharp, the variety allows for versatility in cuts, and the construction is top-notch. However, the price point, while reasonable, is slightly higher than some other options. Also, like with the Fox BC blades, installation can be a bit tricky for beginners. So why buy the PowerTech 93 1/2 inch bandsaw blades assortment? If you're looking for a reliable set of blades that can handle various woodworking tasks, this assortment is a great choice. They deliver precision and efficiency, making your projects easier and more enjoyable. Plus, the high-quality materials mean you won't be replacing them anytime soon.
Product number 3. Fox BC 93 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch by 4 TPI bandsaw blades. Next up is another offering from Fox BC, the 93 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch by 4 TPI bandsaw blades. Priced at $24.41, this blade is designed specifically for those who need a tougher cut and is perfect for both softwoods and hardwoods. The first thing I noticed was the width of the blade. At 3/4 inch, it felt robust and ready for serious work. The setup was straightforward, and I quickly got to testing its capabilities. This blade is made from premium Japan SK8 high-grade carbon steel, promising longevity and performance. The 4 TPI teeth are induction hardened and precision ground, allowing for clean cuts even in thicker stock. I tried it on a variety of materials, including mild steel, and was pleasantly surprised at how well it handled each task. When considering the pros and cons, the durability and cutting efficiency are major pros. I found that it retained its sharpness even after extended use, which is a huge plus in the woodworking world. However, its thickness may limit its use for finer, more intricate cuts. If you're doing mostly detail work, you might want to opt for a blade with more teeth per inch. So, why should you consider the Fox BC 93 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch by 4 TPI bandsaw blades? If you're looking for a heavy-duty blade that can handle a range of materials, this is a solid choice. It's particularly beneficial for those who need a blade that can get through thicker pieces of wood or even mild metals without compromising on cut quality. Product number 4, the Fox BC 93 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 3 TPI bandsaw blades. I also checked out the Fox BC 93 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 3 TPI bandsaw blades. At $21.84, this 2-pack is ideal for those who prioritize versatility in their projects. I was excited to test these blades on both soft and hard woods, as well as some plastics and mild steel. Upon unboxing, I noticed that these blades are made from the same premium Japan SK8 high-grade carbon steel as other Fox BC products, which is a good sign of quality. The 3 TPI teeth are designed for deeper cuts, making them perfect for resawing larger pieces. I quickly installed a blade and began cutting. The performance was impressive. I was able to make deep cuts without stalling the saw. In terms of pros and cons, the biggest advantage of this blade is its ability to handle various materials effectively. The price is also very attractive for a 2-pack, making it a cost-effective option for woodworkers looking to stock up on reliable blades. However, due to the lower tooth count, it may not be the best option for intricate or delicate cuts. So why buy the Fox BC 93 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 3 TPI bandsaw blades? If you're focused on resawing or working with larger pieces, this blade delivers strength and efficiency. It's a fantastic choice for those who want to get the job done without sacrificing quality. Product number 5. Timberwolf 3423 VPC 93.5 inch by 3/4 inch bandsaw silicone steel low tension resaw blade. Finally, I want to highlight the Timberwolf 3423 VPC 93.5 by 3/4 bandsaw silicone steel low tension resaw blade. Priced at $33.26, this blade stands out due to its unique features. Right off the bat, I noticed that it has milled teeth that are 50% sharper than many competitors, which piqued my interest. When I fitted it on my bandsaw, I was amazed by how smoothly it ran. The precision induction hardening throughout the blade meant that it stayed sharp longer, and the tooth edge being 20% harder than high carbon steel gave it an edge in performance. What I found particularly interesting is the blade's construction from more ductile steel, which leads to extended flex life and a cooler running blade. This means less wear and tear on both the blade and the bandsaw, something I value highly. In terms of pros and cons, the pros are clear.
You get a blade that is exceptionally sharp, has a long lifespan, and runs cooler than many alternatives. However, one downside might be the price relative to its competitors. While it's not overly expensive, some might find it hard to justify the cost for a single blade when cheaper options are available. So why buy the Timberwolf 3423 VPC? If you're serious about your woodworking and want a blade that offers superior sharpness and longevity, this is a fantastic choice. It's designed for those who appreciate precision and want to get the most out of their bandsaw. In conclusion, each of these bandsaw blades brings something unique to the table. Whether you're looking for versatility, durability, or precision, there's a blade here for every woodworking need. I highly recommend trying out at least one of these to elevate your resawing game and make your projects a breeze. Happy woodworking!